Art class with Miss Bancroft at home. Hi Suitor artists, it's Miss Bancroft. I hope you're all doing well and that you're healthy and safe. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really simple activity to create your own salt dough, which is very similar to Play-Doh. The book that I got it from it's in here. Ooh, colored salt dough. And the book is, I showed you this I think last week, 150 plus screen-free activities for kids. So, salt dough is pretty cool. I'll show you what it looks like. It's basically like Play-Doh and you can mold it into whatever shape you'd like. It's also kind of cool because you can break off pieces, you can mix the colors, and you can even squish it onto paper and it sticks. So it's a really cool material to play with, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so to start, you'll need 1 cup of flour, a half cup of salt, and a half cup of water. 1 cup of flour, a half cup of salt, and a half cup of water. So we're going to move those aside. Get a big bowl. Oh, you can see me in the reflection. We're going to pour in the salt, pour in the flour, and I also have some food coloring. Pour in the water, and we'll start to mix it up. And then once it seems pretty well incorporated, you can start to mix it up yourself. So it's already taking on a nice doughy consistency. It's still a little bit sticky, so I might add some flour. So that looks black, but it's actually purple. Okay, so I'm adding just a little bit of flour because I noticed that the dough is a little bit sticky. I'm just going to sprinkle some flour at the bottom. We'll absorb some of that flour into the dough. And it's a much nicer consistency now. It's a little bit more dry, but still malleable. Alright, so it's finished. These are some really nice doughs, and you can store them in just a Ziploc container if you want. They're kind of like natural colors because the flour that I used is a little bit more natural colored instead of white. So yours might be a little bit different, but it's really fun to play with and it's kind of a nice texture, so try it out. Alright Suitor artists, I hope you enjoyed that video of how to make your own salt dough. There's a lot of cool recipes out there of how to make dough. Most of them are a lot more complicated. Salt dough I love because it's 3 ingredients, mix it together, and you have dough. I hope that you guys find some really cool and creative things to make with the salt dough. I would love to see your creations. If you want to send them to me or share them with me, that would be amazing. If you'd like to also save your dough to create something else, maybe you want to work with it next week or tomorrow, just put it right into a Ziploc bag, seal it up to prevent the air from getting in, and you can use it next time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Art class with Miss Bancroft.